Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can still get the seed from the smithing update in a Grow Garden new trader event update. Okay, let's get into it guys. As we know that the trader event update has been dropped in Grow Garden, and of course the previous update, which is the smithing update, has been removed. But don't worry guys, because you can still get the seed from the previous update. From the previous update, we have yaro seed, and then the holo bamboo, and also the olive seed. And you can still get it from here guys, from the crafting table. Okay, you can craft the seed. You can go to the cosmetic table or the crafting table right here, and you can scroll down, and here you can craft the olive seed, holo bamboo seed, and also the yaro seed. And these are the items that you need to craft the seeds. Okay guys, and that's all the way to get these seeds from the smithing update in Grow a Garden. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.